How to save video from Facebook Lite to gallery. That's what I will show you today. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now the first thing you need to do in order to download the video from Facebook Lite to your gallery is to copy the video link. So let's go ahead and do that. Open Facebook Lite and then go to the video that you want to save or download. Say for example this one right here. Click on the three dots at the top right corner of the video, and from the given pop-up list click on copy link. Once the link has been copied, you need to go back and open up any browser you have and search for Facebook video downloader. Now as you can see, you will find a lot of results, but you can choose any one of them as they all do the same job and work the same way. So I'm going to choose this one for example. And essentially what you need to do right now is you need to paste the link that you copied in this field right here and click on download. And once you do that, the website will give you your video in different qualities that you can choose from. So once you have chosen one, click on download. Next to it, you might get an ad, so just skip it, and your video will start to download. Once the download has been completed, you will find your video in your mobile or phone gallery. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can download videos from Facebook Lite to your phone gallery. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.